Are you ready to revolutionize your kitchen and simplify your cooking routine? Look no further than the Ninja AD150 Foodi 8-quart 6-in-1 DualZone Digital Air Fryer. This multifunctional kitchen marvel combines versatility, convenience, and efficiency to deliver mouth-watering results with every use. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. The Ninja AD150 Foodi 8-quart 6-in-1 DualZone Digital Air Fryer is a must-have addition to any kitchen. Versatile 6-in-1 functionality. The Ninja AD150 Foodi Air Fryer is not just an air fryer, it's a kitchen powerhouse with 6 functions in one appliance. From air frying and dehydrating to roasting and reheating, this air fryer has everything you need to cook a wide variety of dishes with ease. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and hello to simplified cooking. Digital precision cooking. Take full control of your culinary creations with the easy-to-use digital controls of the Ninja AD150 Foodi Air Fryer. Set precise temperatures and cooking times to tailor your dishes to your preferences. Whether you're cooking a crispy batch of fries or roasting a succulent chicken, you can trust that your food will come out perfectly cooked every time. Spacious family-sized design. With its generous 8-quart capacity, the Ninja AD150 Foodi Air Fryer is perfect for families and gatherings of all sizes. Say goodbye to multiple batches and hello to cooking large portions with ease. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or meal prepping for the week, this air fryer has you covered. Dehydrate for healthy snacks. The built-in dehydrate function opens up a world of healthy snack possibilities. Make your own dried fruits, jerky, and more, preserving nutrients and flavors for guilt-free indulgence. With the Ninja AD150 Foodi Air Fryer, you can snack smarter without sacrificing taste. Efficient air circulation. Thanks to advanced air circulation technology, the Ninja AD150 Foodi Air Fryer delivers crispy and evenly cooked results without the need for excessive oil. Enjoy the taste of your favorite fried foods with a healthier twist, knowing that you're making smarter choices for you and your family. Sleek and modern design. Not only is the Ninja AD150 Foodi Air Fryer a kitchen workhorse, but it also adds a touch of modern sophistication to your kitchen with its sleek design. Upgrade your culinary space and impress your guests with this stylish and versatile appliance. Order now and simplify your cooking routine. Ready to take your cooking to the next level. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. The Ninja AD150 Foodi 8-quart 6-in-1 DualZone Digital Air Fryer is a must-have addition to any kitchen. With its versatility, convenience, and efficiency, it's the perfect tool for elevating your culinary creations and simplifying your cooking routine. Don't wait, order yours today and experience the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.